bafethu sanibonani bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs Duyo Samukelo Zwane and Happy Mashiane have been sent to loan at Siwelele from Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, singaba fair as ama-fans bafethu. The boys were given like 5 seasons. Yeah, 5 seasons. And they still are improving. If you can check, Umfukeng came after these guys, bafethu. Umfukeng came after these guys were improved. But these guys were here when Pesita was still playing for Sundowns. And then they don't show any improvement. Fana Khulisi. Khulisi doesn't show any progression. Yabo, unless maybe bangamsusa from Sundowns. Same as this guy, bafethu. They have been given too many chances, full seasons by Atazwan, full seasons by Stuart Baxter, but still, mfethu, same results, same performance. Yeah, it was a good decision by Kaizer Chiefs to maybe to let them grow somewhere else, yabo, because bazoze baguga amajita lokathi ama-youngster, but they don't want to take responsibility. Uyayithola. Siyabonga Kaizer Chiefs. Danko.